Let's get more on this with Dr. Ashish Jha. He's the Dean of Brown University School of Public Health. Doctor, good morning to you. So, the U.S. government has already purchased 300 million doses of this particular vaccine. So what is the implication of this stoppage? How serious is it?
Yeah, good morning, and thank you for having me on. This happens. We see this. Lots of clinical trials get paused. We don't know how serious it is. We have to figure out who had the adverse event, what the adverse event was. Was it really related to the vaccine? This is why we can't rush this stuff. And science is moving very fast here. That's good news, but we've got to sort this out before we move forward.
What are the kinds of serious adverse reactions that would merit stopping the clinical trial? Because, a lot of people say, oh, I had a little fever, or I had a little headache, and that doesn't stop the whole trial. How serious does it have to be?
So headaches, fevers, pain in the arm where you were injected, those are expected, and we move forward on those. It could be, we don't know. First of all, we don't know. It could be something very serious, some sort of a severe autoimmune reaction or something else. It could be something completely unrelated to the vaccine. Somebody could have had a heart attack that they would have had anyway, let's say. It just happened that they had during the vaccine, or maybe they were even in the placebo arm.
I was going to ask you that. We don't even know if this person actually got the vaccine. They could have gotten the placebo.
Exactly. We don't know. And this is why we've got to be careful about this stuff, not overreact to the news. And my general take is the next few days, we'll find out more information, and then we'll decide. And actually, I won't decide. AstraZeneca and the Oxford researchers will decide whether this is safe, and they'll continue or they won't. But my suspicion is they'll continue, just probably waiting to sort this out.
In one sense, I guess it means the system's working. The science is working, if they pause the trial because of an adverse event and check out more about it. Now, does that affect these other vaccine candidates? For example, will the AstraZeneca give that information to the other companies pursuing vaccines so they can see, oh, did we have anything like this with our vaccine candidates?
Yeah, I think that would be best practice. So once AstraZeneca figures out exactly what has happened here, because this is so high profile, I'm confident they're going to make it public. And the other vaccine makers are going to go back and look at their own data and see if they're seeing it. And obviously, if they're seeing it, then we have a broader problem. But again, I'm pretty hopeful that this is a one-off. Maybe it's not even related to the vaccine. But hope is not evidence. We've got to see what the data actually shows us.
Yeah, let's hope. We like hope. We're all for that. Can I ask you about another item in the news, which is this pledge? The 9 major pharmaceutical companies that are all competing against each other in this race to get a vaccine signed this extraordinary document saying, we promise we will let science, not a timeline or politics, dictate when we release a vaccine and try to seek regulatory approval. What do you make of that?
Yeah, this is really extraordinary. I don't know if I've seen anything like this in my lifetime. Obviously, we're in unprecedented times, and there's been very clear political signal out of the White House, out of the head of the FDA, saying that they're going to try to get a vaccine authorized before the election. And I think that everybody knows that we've got to let science drive the timeline, not politics. And so I was heartened to see this. But what a strange moment that you're having to have companies come out and make a statement like this. They shouldn't have to. Of course, we should let science drive this timeline.
All right. Dr. Ashish Jha, Dean of Brown University. Bye-bye, Harvard. Hello, Brown. I guess you got a promotion. Congratulations. Thanks for still being with us. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.